don't know if you're wondering why I am a wild horse. I have a brand new look. I hope you guys like it. It's really cool. It's really cute. I think it's cute because I like it. I like the color of it because the color is purple. And everybody knows I love the color purple. Well, people who know me in real life do. So, be unwild and be. Whee! Yay! I love my new look. It's purple hair. I love the color purple. Now, sadly, there's no going back for my old hair. So, I put this purple cap on, because if I put this on, it's gonna look like this. I really do like it, and I hope Juliana likes it too. I'm scared now. Juliana is Naomi, so I can say her real name since she doesn't have a YouTube channel or anything like that. Also, I actually like this new look. Tell me if you do, because I think it cool. Is anyone on in club? I don't even know. I don't even know one's on in club. Everybody's just really...
Chill. What is wrong with you? International teen sensation Kathy Can is coming here today. And that is the last one of those. The Kathy Can, the Korean pop star? Yeah, you know who she is? Are you kidding? I eat lunch with her every day. Wow, you have a
Okay,
lunch buffalo.
here we go. I said I'm doing a video. Say hi. I don't even know if anyone's on anymore. I don't. I'm gonna go to the actually, nobody's gonna say hi. So I don't want that. I don't want that at all.
She's been cast to play Stephanie Einstein, the character that I created of the original Sing Along. So, you know, if you could just, like, be cool. Are you kidding? They call me the Iceman.
Yeah. So, I really like my new look. I hope you like my new look. I'm obsessed with it! So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to put in the comment section below if you like this. I'm obsessed with it because it's purple and I love the color purple. So, first of all, when I bought it, I was like, well, I'm not really gonna like it. But then I was like, yeah, I might like it, so I bought it. And now it's actually growing on me. I like it. I'm obsessed with it. So, yeah. Bye!